Welcome to the ClinicalConnection.com guide to understanding clinical trials. This short video will give you an introduction to clinical trials and answer some of the most common questions about them. A clinical trial is a research study done to determine if new treatment or therapy is safe and effective. Clinical trials are the most important step in approving new treatments and making them widely available. The existing treatments for many medical conditions may not be effective for everyone. Clinical trials can help determine whether new treatments are safer or more effective than those currently used. The treatments chosen for clinical trials show potential for being better than existing treatments, although sometimes are not as effective. Most medical treatments that are widely available have been tested in clinical trials in the past. There are several reasons you may be interested in joining a clinical trial. Clinical trials offer access to new treatments that may otherwise not be available. These new treatments may be safer and more effective than your current treatment. Also, by participating in clinical trials, you are contributing to research that may help others. If you participate in a clinical trial, you will be given information about the new treatment as well as potential risks and benefits of participating in the trial. You will be given an opportunity to ask questions before deciding whether or not to participate. The doctor or nurse that is supervising the clinical trial will ask you to provide informed consent. Informed consent is an acknowledgement that you understand the potential risks and benefits of the clinical trial and that you are freely deciding to participate. Once you have enrolled in a clinical trial, you will receive either the new treatment or a treatment that is already available in order to determine which one is more effective. During the trial, you will need to communicate regularly with the doctor or nurse supervising the study. If the new treatment being studied was effective for you, then you may be able to continue receiving this treatment even after the conclusion of the trial. Most people are eligible to participate in clinical trials. Many trials are for individuals who have a specific condition or illness and may benefit from new treatment. Although they are less common, there are also clinical trials for healthy volunteers. All clinical trials are reviewed by a panel of doctors and other professionals to determine if the study is safe, ethical, and well-designed. Although the final results of the clinical trial will be reported to the medical community, your name will never be used in these reports, and your participation is always anonymous. You can get more information about clinical trials from your doctor, the library, or by visiting www.clinicalconnection.com. If you are interested in participating in a clinical trial, there are several places you can find them. You can ask your doctor if there are any clinical trials currently available, or you may also search online for clinical trials at www.clinicalconnection.com.